touch on something that Kathy, you had brought up earlier in the conversation, which was new to me, not realizing that in China that a lot of these manufacturers have these schools close to these sites so that of course everyone is educated for that role. I'm interested, is there any more other cultural or more work ethic differences that companies should be aware of when they are expanding into Southeast Asia or India that could also affect their supply chain or their manufacturing output as well?
I think just something like cultural difference, because in China, all those let's say manufacturers and some of those new IT companies, they are follow the let's say the working hour we call 996, means from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. working for 6 days. So
Yeah.
it's very common. It's very popular here because everybody hardworking, and the opportunities also not that much compared with our population. So everybody is willing to do those, and there's no any complaint. Let's say like this 996. So, but this kind of working pattern, if you copy paste to Southeast Asia countries, not everybody can accept that, because they are more, let's say, like to enjoy their private life. Like a weekend is for family. So this is some cultural things. There's no right or wrong, but just you cannot push that much compared with in China. So somehow the efficiency will be slowed down a little bit compare with that, because but that's the cultural thing. So I think you need to get used to that, and then try to not do the same as what you used to have in China. I think this is also somehow culture wise and the people's mentality wise, it's different. Yeah. So that's why I think most of those let's say management, when we talk with them, the most challenge they are facing is this, that like during the weekend maybe they cannot find anybody, but in China they already get used to that 24/7 service hours.